How to turn on or turn off text messages suggested stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on this profile icon. Scroll down and click on settings. Now in messages settings, scroll down and click on suggestions. After click on suggestions, click on, you will see suggested stickers is here. If you want to turn off suggested stickers, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see suggested sticker is turned off. If you want to turn on suggested stickers, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see suggested sticker is turned on. You will turn on or turn off suggested stickers from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off suggested stickers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.